Thanks for stopping by the Caribou Data Science channel today. This is your channel for all things for data analytics, okay? But before we get started, I do have one favor to ask you today. Actually, you click on that like button for me at the bottom of the screen. Thanks so much, folks. Now let's get on with the show. Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Data Channel. This is round 2A of as the laptop turns. We're going to go back and compare all four laptops I was asked about so far into a single chat session. See if we can come up with some type of consensus, or some types of ranking. But here's the thing, you know, a laptop within a certain price range, okay, isn't going to vary that much in terms of quality and what it can do. Because you know, I hate to say it, but when you start to buy your laptop, start with how much you can spend and then see what you can get for your money. Okay. Now, I personally lean more towards the one that has more RAM, because my guess is there's probably not that much difference. This is an i7, but only 24 gigabytes of RAM. This has an i7, so I would say, oh, shoot. Dolby audio. You know, Dolby used to be like the name and sound. Used to you go to the movies and you use Dolby surround sounds. That's where Dolby comes from. Okay, and there we have it. Lots of details. So they're saying the Lenovo was 40 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so they're saying the Lenovo because for various reasons. So which graphics card does the Lenovo have? you have it. So it says seems best because of the 40 gigabytes of RAM. The GPUs are pretty typical, maybe a generation apart, 450 and 550, which aren't really high-end GPUs. Okay. Although it does note that it's not the fastest, but still, I have an i5. Okay, and it's fine. Of course, I'm not. I have no trouble, working with gigabyte or 3 or 4 gigabytes worth of data inside of my i5. It's my 32 gigabytes of RAM. So I would tend to agree. And of course, I'm not doing any really high level type of machine learning, nothing like that. But chances are, but like I say, it really starts with the one thing. It starts with how much money you want to spend. Okay, it really is that simple. Then if I was really looking for a new laptop, I would go out to say Lenovo's and Dell's website and see what I can get for my money. See if I can get, more RAM, more hard drive space, a better GPU or stuff like that. That's the other thing you want to do. Because, chances are Amazon isn't probably going to carry, well, they may. They carry a lot of laptops, but it's kind of hard to compare the two. Go to Lenovo, go to Dell, see what your money will buy, okay? But as of right now, of course, it does say ChatGPT can make mistakes, so that they could be wrong. They could be wrong about this. We could go here like this. Let's do bar. Okay, so that's sort of interesting. Interesting. ChatGPT translated it into English. Okay. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, what about let's ask Bing. that's sort of interesting. It only responds in the language in which the question is posed. That's really interesting. That's the same thing as Bard, but yet ChatGPT was able to convert it. Okay? Okay. So we got 2 votes for the Lecteur 40 with the 40 gigabytes of RAM. Okay? Ah. Like I said, it is still interesting that ChatGPT, well, it probably translates it into the language where you appear to be coming from. Bing can't do that. Okay. Should we go for 3 for 3? Take a look at Bard. Okay, so Bing uses ChatGPT 4, so you'd expect the two to remain the same. Bard uses, well, it uses, alrighty, and there you have it, folks. The tale of